This is Makeup Battle Season 1, the ultimate contest of brains, beauty, and creativity. Each week, 2 artists will put their skills on display in front of a live virtual audience hosted by Picture Studios. The winner of this head-to-head battle will advance to the next round for a shot at our grand prize of $500. The contestants are ready, so let the games begin. Hey everybody, I'm Crystal from Picture Studios, and this is Makeup Battle Season 1. I'm joined today by Gavin Honse and Shelby Bailey for a head-to-head makeup battle. Hi guys. Hi. All right, before we begin, I'm pleased to announce that Brittany Evans was the winner of last week's contest. She received 66% of the votes and had an average score of 4.43. Congratulations, Brittany. I also want to send a special thank you to Zariah Rose, who did an amazing job as well. Finally, I want to thank everyone who voted last week at www.makeupbattle.com. Because Makeup Battle is a double elimination, you'll see both ladies again next month against a different makeup artist. Now let's meet Gavin and Shelby. All right, Gavin, can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Hey, well, I am 19. I am from West Virginia. I've been doing makeup for 14 or 15 going on 16 years. I've been doing it since I was really little. I'm a freelance makeup artist in West Virginia. I've been doing that for about 5 years.
Okay. Wow, that's a long time. It's a long time. All right, Shelby, tell me about you.
Hi, my name's Shelby. I'm born and raised in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I started makeup when I was about 14 or 15. So I've been doing it for like 15 years. Oh, by the way, I'll be 31 this July, so didn't mention my age in there. I started freelancing too, and then went with Mac for a little bit, and then finally went to get my aesthetics license in 2018. So yeah.
All right, well, congratulations, and thank you guys so much for being on the show with us today.
Thanks for having me.
All right, let's start the show with Shelby's journal. This is a behind-the-scenes look at what she created at the studio. When the video is finished, we'll reveal the final look, and then Gavin will have a chance to critique it.
All right, hello everybody. My name is Shelby Bailey. I am born and raised in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm 30 years old. I will be 31 this July, so Cancer season. And I look forward to being on the show. Let's get some makeup going so I don't look so scary. All right, let's do it. Ooh, your girl is excited. Okay. If I could have one of these in one of my bedrooms, be a dream world. Alright, so today for my signature look, I am going to be doing just like an everyday look that I do, just kind of accentuate some of the features that I do have, using colors and tones that match like my skin tone. So I'll be using a lot of browns, nudes, neutral colors, with like a splash of glitz in there. So let's see how it turns out. I first and always start with, if you haven't put moisturizer on, primer. Milk is my jam, okay? I'm gonna do like 1 squirt, a little goes a long way. And it's the Milk Hydro Grip. Absolutely love it. All right, so here I am about 20 minutes in. I kind of went backwards. I do my face first since I have some stubborn acne, but I like to just kind of let that sit in place. And now, starting on the eyes. But anyways, this is where I'd spray some setting spray, prep spray. I like the calming mix. Hit your blender brush. If it was sanitary, do it off the floor, but you know. This is just some light contouring. All right, friends, now this is our finished look. I usually don't put fake eyelashes on because I love the Thrive. It's like wearing fake lashes, but I did it for you guys. You're welcome.
All right, Shelby, where did the inspiration for your look come from?
So the inspiration for my look was just more of my like day-to-day, kind of how I do my makeup, just with a little bit of hints of glitz in there with some lashes for everybody. Yeah, it was just kind of what I do like normally, I guess, when I go out. Just neutrals, kind of accentuate some of the other features that I already have on my face.
I loved your look. I especially love the lip color. I love that lip color.
Yeah, I love an ombre lip.
Great. All right. Gavin, are you ready to critique?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go.
Hey Shelby, I loved your look. I thought it was super beautiful. Your eyes looked amazing, your eyelashes looked good, and your lips were stunning. That lip color looked beautiful on you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I
And it's really pretty.
Thank you.
All right.
Blush over here.
All right. Well, now it's time for Gavin's journal. This is a behind the scenes look at what he created at the studio. When the video is finished, we'll reveal the final look, and then Shelby will have a chance to critique it.
Hi guys, it's Gavin. I am from West Virginia. I am 19 years old. I've been doing makeup for 15 years, going on 16 years. I've been doing it since I was 4. I started out with effects makeup, and then I turned into glamour. So I'm gonna kind of bring a little bit of that to you today. So we'll just have to see what I have in store. I am here at Picture Studios. Let's go! So my look for today is gonna bring in kind of my whimsical, quirky, fun personality, and I'm going to be doing like a fairy, but with like mushroom vibes. So like a mushroom fairy boy. We're gonna see how well I pulled off, and I'm gonna take you on this journey. Okay, so usually the first thing I do is my eyebrows, but I got blessed with gorgeously thick eyebrows, so I don't have to do anything to them. What I normally do is just go in with a flat concealer brush and a super light concealer, and I go in and carve them out. So that's what I'm gonna do first, and I will update you guys as I go. Okay guys, so I have my eyes partially the way done. I'm gonna go ahead and work on my face now, and then proceed to finish adding finishing touches at the end for the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on foundation, concealer, and contour, and then I will come back and update you. All right, so I am moved on to my face now. As you can see, I have my contour, my concealer, and my bake on. I am going to finish the eyes, finish the face, and then I will show you the look when we're at that point. All right, guys, so I'm going to put on the finishing touches, change my outfit, fix my hair, and then I will come back with the final result. All right, here it is, the finished product. This is my fairy look inspired by a mushroom. I hope you all like it. If you like what you see, please follow my Instagram at ghonse1. Thank you guys so much.
Hi, Gavin. Where did the inspiration for your look come from?
The inspiration for my look was kind of based around my personality. I wanted it to be very fun, quirky, and whimsical, and I wanted to pull aspects of special effects and beauty makeup. So I just kind of clashed those two together and mixed them up and pulled out that kind of fairy pixie type of look.
I see. I like it. Love the attention to detail from both of you guys. I loved it. Love the colors, and I love your energy.
Thanks.
All right, Shelby, are you ready to critique?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
All right, cool. I thought I was doing it just a second ago. Sorry, I got confused. Oh my God, I loved it. It was amazing. Like, yes, it was everything. Even the little, like, earring to accentuate it, not only with the contacts, but the earring too. Like, the look was everything. It was very pixie-esque, and I feel like it needed a photo shoot for sure after it, like, out in public somewhere.
Thank you so much.
I love that.
And I love you guys. I love the positivity, and your looks were amazing. Loved it. Love them both. All right. Guys, we want to thank everyone for watching Makeup Battle Season 1. Make sure you tune in next week when we will announce the winner of today's matchup. Next week, we will have a competition between Aspen and Crystal, so be sure to follow our official hashtag, Makeup Battle Show, for updates. Bye, guys.
Bye.